Days after millions of Americans ignored health guidance to avoid travel in large Thanksgiving gatherings, experts are now bracing for the worst as people head back home and rising infection and hospitalization rates. Fox News correspondent Christina Coleman has more from Los Angeles.
Staggering numbers coming out of this holiday weekend. More than 13.2 million Americans have now tested positive for COVID-19, with the death toll now topping 266,000, pushing city and state leaders to impose tighter restrictions to stop the spread of the virus and prevent hospitals from caving under the pressure. COVID hospitalizations hit another record high Saturday, with more than 91,000 people being treated for the virus. The U.S. Surgeon General urging people to follow health guidelines.
It's going to get worse over the next several weeks, but the actions that we take in the next several days will determine how bad it is or whether or not we continue to flatten our curve.
Local governments cracking down, imposing more COVID restrictions. A new limited stay-at-home order is in effect in San Francisco, with a ban in indoor activities like gyms and fitness centers. Also starting Monday, a 3-week stay-at-home order goes into effect in Los Angeles County. And while cities on the West Coast are announcing new restrictions, New York City has some good news. Mayor Bill de Blasio announcing that the city's public schools will be reopening in phases, focusing on the younger grades first, starting on Monday, December 7th. His announcement comes as health officials warn the virus will become much worse in the coming weeks.
We will have testing that is going to go from monthly in every school to weekly in every school. We will have consent forms required for attendance.
COVID is also having a major impact on the NFL, forcing the league to reschedule some games and to enforce stricter health guidelines. At least 43 players were placed on the reserve COVID list since last Sunday. Reporting in Los Angeles, Christina Coleman, Fox News.